Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The euro-dollar pair has lost 0.6% in the last two sessions. The highs-lows indicator has slightly diminished into the negative zone. Volkswagen stock has gained 5.1% in the last two sessions. The highs-lows indicator has warmed up and is currently positive. The sterling-dollar pair has fallen 0.5% in the last two sessions. The Williams indicator is heating up and is currently negative. The Aussie-dollar pair has fallen 0.5% in the last session. The highs-lows indicator is receding into the negative zone.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Tesla Inc. chief Elon Musk tweeted that supply constraints are making it difficult to scale up production of its long-delayed Tesla semi-electric commercial truck, sending the company's shares down over 2%. The International Monetary Fund is preparing to raise its forecast for the global economy in 2021 and 2022, thanks to recent fiscal stimulus in the U.S. and increasing vaccination against COVID-19. DNA sequencing firm Oxford Nanopore Technologies Limited plans to list on the London Stock Exchange, delivering a major win for the city in its effort to position itself as an attractive venue for IPOs in a post-Brexit world.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
The U.S. ADP employment change will be released at 12:15 GMT. Japan's housing starts at 500 GMT. Germany's unemployment change at 7:55 GMT. Australia's AIG Performance of Manufacturing Index will be released at 21:30 GMT. The UK's gross domestic product at 600 GMT. Japan's construction orders at 500 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.